Wright, and I'm a housing attorney with the Virginia Poverty Law Center. I apologize for the delay. I had a few technical difficulties, but we're ready to roll now. So you've probably heard that courts are not hearing eviction cases right now, and many landlords are prohibited from evicting tenants in certain types of properties until sometime in August. But what should you do if your landlord tries to illegally evict you? In the last video, Daryl talked about the eviction freeze, and if you haven't seen that yet, you should go check it out on the VPLC Facebook page. And a quick disclaimer, this is general information, not legal advice about a specific case. If you have questions after this video about your individual case, please contact your local legal aid by calling 1-866-534-5243, or you can call the Eviction Legal Helpline by calling 1-833-NO-EVICT. So you may have heard the term called SelfHelp Addictions. Now, despite the nice sounding name, they are anything but. This is where your landlord tries to remove you from the property or cuts off essential services such as water without going through the court. And these are illegal in Virginia. Your landlord cannot do this. And here's some other information you need to know. So if there's anything you take away from this video, 1, your landlord cannot legally cut off your utilities, lock you out of your home, or otherwise try to evict you without taking you to court. You do not have to move if your landlord tells you to leave or files an eviction case against you. And your landlord must wait until they win in court and get the local sheriff's department to evict you. This applies even if you have an oral lease with your landlord or don't have this a written agreement. Now, if your landlord tries to evict you or cuts off essential utilities like water without following those steps, you can take your landlord to court by filing a lawsuit. Now, this is a mouthful. It's called a tenant's petition for relief from unlawful exclusion. The Virginia General District Courts have a form you can fill out to file this unlawful exclusion case. Now, you can either do a quick Google search for tenant's petition for relief from unlawful exclusion, and it should pull it up, or you can go to the General District Court website and look for Form DC-431. You can also go down to your General District Court's office and talk to the clerk, and they'll have forms there for you as well. Now, although courts are not hearing most cases right now, illegal evictions are emergency cases and should get heard fairly quickly. If you need guidance on how to fill out this lawsuit, you can go check out VPLC's Unlawful Exclusion Toolkit, which you can find on our website. I know things are really stressful and uncertain right now, but you should know that you have rights, and there are resources available to help you. The Virginia Poverty Law Center is continuing to put out resources, and you can find those by visiting VPLC.org and click on the tab that says COVID-19 updates. On that page, you can find other information about housing laws, consumer rights, healthcare, other public benefits that can help you right now. You can also try dialing 211, and a trained professional will pick up the phone. They'll listen to your situation and suggest some resources available in your area. Now, if you're facing a housing-specific issue, there are people who can help. Now, as I mentioned at the top of the video, you can contact your local legal aid office by calling 1-866-534-5243, and it will direct you to your local legal aid office. Or if you just have a legal question about your eviction, you can call the Eviction Legal Helpline by dialing 1-833-663-8428. Thank you so much for watching, and keep checking back. We'll have a lot more updates for you. And like I mentioned, if you need more information, go to vplc.org and click on the COVID-19 updates. Thank you and have a great weekend. Bye.